Hello, this is the CROSSDRIVE project, and we're within University of Salford, the Octave system, and we are demoing the concept of using an immersive display to choose where the Mars rover is going to go. And here we're going to have 3 people, actors playing out the parts of an engineer and 2 scientists, and they've got to decide where the rover is going to go. So over here, we have the engineer. Hello. And here we have 1 scientist, and here we have another scientist. So now they're going to play out the scenario.
Okay, so looking around, we've got a few rocks here that are going to impede our progress a bit. But I think there's something over here that we should look at. There's a spot of light that, if you look over here, looks like an interesting feature of the landscape. I think we should focus on this environment here. Something's going on there that we need to find out about.
Yeah, I'm not quite convinced by that. I think the terrain here is just a bit too rocky for the rover to get over. I think what would be good is if we could move the rover round here. There is space for it to get between these 2 rocks. And if we can just look just here, just over the edge of the surface, I think it would be good for the rover to capture the data there. And also, if you look, you can see the rock samples here are a different colour. So I'd like the rover to collect some data from those rock samples, and then we can do some analysis from that.
Well, I think that's a good idea. I think what's right for Germany is to go in this direction, where there's more light. This looks more like a dark side. I don't know what's there really. I can see something moving around there. It could be life.
Yeah.
So I just think we might want to reconsider that.
Yeah, so I really do think that the rover should come over here, and as an Italian scientist, we're really leading the way on space exploration. I think this sort of rusty orange colour here of the surface is something that we really should explore, because I think it's just different from the rest of the terrain, and I think it might provide signs of water being on Mars.
Well, how about if we go? I think there's a route through. If we start over here and go in your direction, I think we can get around this column here. There's no rocks behind you. If you can see there, we can probably get around that way. So if we go that direction first and then end up towards this side second, does that sound like a good compromise?
Yeah, so I think what we can do is we can just move the rover up here. Yeah. There's no rocks, and then if we can just manoeuvre around here and explore this area. Once we've done that, if time's permitting, we can try to move the rover over there. But I'm just not convinced. If you look in the terrain here, there are just far too many rocks, and I think it would just be impossible for the rover to move over this.
Yeah, from the engineering point of view, I think the same. I think it's worth trying to avoid this part of the terrain, and I think it's a good idea just to go there first.
Okay.
And then we can try to find a way of over there to get to the kind of interest that you.
Yeah, I think you're both right. This is certainly, Germany's direction is much more ambitious and risk-taking. This is a much safer option, which I think fits well with Italy. I think that's good. Let's go to Italy first, and then go to Germany, and base ourselves there afterwards.
Right. Yeah. Let's go to Italy, and then we just don't want to damage the rover before we go to Italy.
The Think Lab is an innovation center focused on collaboration and interaction. It combines state-of-the-art facilities with technology and professional facilitation techniques. We link advanced research in the domains of collaborative engineering and VR with the development of commercial solutions for the industry, local authority, and the community. We brought this expertise and technology to support the development of the CROSSDRIVE project. Next, we will demonstrate a platform for visualizing a Mars terrain dataset, showcasing its user teleimmersion capability.